Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has assured Bayelsans that the final report of the state's Oil and Environmental Commission, which hold international oil companies accountable for untold ecological devastation for many decades, will be implemented. Senator Diri gave the assurance while briefing his cabinet members about details of the report launched recently in the British House of Lords.
Final report of the Bayelsa State Oil and Environmental Commission, instituted to investigate the environmental, health and socio-economic damage caused by crude oil and gas production in over 6 decades, was launched recently in the British House of Lords and presented to Governor Douye Diri. The report shows that no fewer than 109,940 barrels of crude oil were spilled by IOCs in Bayelsa State from 2006 to 2020, representing roughly 25% of oil spills in Nigeria. On his return to Bayelsa State, Senator Diri briefed his cabinet members, noting that the impacts of environmental degradation on the environment, human health and the socio-economic survival of the local population amounts to ecological genocide. The governor assured Bayelsans that reparations will have to be paid by oil companies found culpable in the report.
We are not rushing to the option of law courts. However, our table is open to all options. But the number one option for us is to dialogue. And we believe that the affected companies will not delay in ensuring the dialogue with the government of the state.
Senator Diri further noted that it was imperative to implement the report of the Bayelsa State Oil and Environmental Commission to give long-suffering oil-producing communities environmental justice.
When once the cleanup is done, I am sure that we will all be happy and we will live longer than the way we are living today.
In a related development, Senator Diri has promised to expedite ongoing road projects awarded to link isolated coastal communities to Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital. The Bayelsa State Governor made this promise recently when he carried out an unscheduled inspection of the Oporoma Bridge construction project awarded to link southern Ijaw local government area to other parts of the state directly by road.
This bridge is fundamental to us as a state and particularly to the people of southern Ijaw local government area. It's one of the local government area headquarters that you cannot access by road. And this is the bridge that will make southern Ijaw to be accessed by road. Oporoma, the headquarters of the local government. And so we are very serious in ensuring that this bridge is completed according to schedule.
The Bayelsa State Governor also inspected the level of progress made so far on the Nembe Brass Road construction project, awarded to link Brass to the rest of Bayelsa State through Nembe.
You know, we have timelines for the completion of this work. Yes, and I don't want anybody to ever think that we are playing politics with this road. For sure not. And we know why we have awarded, because we know the importance of this road leading to Brass. And I don't want you as contractors to disappoint the government. For sure, sir. We heard. And that's why I'm here today, to make the point that this road means a lot to us.
The Nembe Brass Road construction project was flagged off by the Prosperity government of Senator Douye Diri in June 2022. When completed, it will provide easy access to some of the federal government's biggest investments in the state, including the Brass Liquefied Natural Gas Project and the Brass Fertilizer and Petrochemical Company.
Inside the Niger Delta,